If you want to learn how to make this awesome original water slime, then keep watching until the very end. The ingredients you will be needing for the slime is some Elmer's glue. You can use any glue, but I've learned that Elmer's school glue works the best. You will also be needing some water. This is 6 ounces of water. I just poured it and measured it into a bowl. You will also be needing some baking soda, and you'll only be needing half a tablespoon. Another ingredient you will need is some eye contact solution. They call this different things like multi-purpose solution and saline solution, or eye contact solution, but you have to make sure that it has boric acid in it. And you'll also be needing some baby oil. This just helps your slime not to be so sticky, and just a little bit will work. A little bit goes a long way. And if you want, you can add some color. This is regular food coloring. And today I'll be making a yellow-greenish slime. Now we'll get started. And you'll also need a bowl and mixing tool. Now I'm just going to measure out about 4 ounces of glue. Now I'll be adding in all of the 6 ounces of water. Now, if you do not mix this up very well and it's clumpy, then it will mess up. You have to make sure it's nicely dissolved and nice and smooth. Now this will take a lot of stirring, but you need it smooth for it to be able to work. Now, I'm going to be adding this color. I'm going to add about a drop of it. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking soda. If you add too much baking soda, then it won't be as stretchy as you saw in the beginning of this video. Now you want to stir that very well. Now I'm going to be adding some eye contact solution. You will need a lot of this, just to let you know. At first it will look like it's just a liquid, but it will get thicker the more you stir it. I can tell it's getting thicker. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit more eye contact solution. since it does look a little sticky, I'm going to be adding baby oil to the slime and to my hands. This slime is super stretchy, and the more you knead it, the less sticky it gets. So you just have to knead it with your hands. And I think this is a really pretty color.